Everyone, let us see this one more problem. Two equal forces have a resultant equal to 1.5 times the either force. Find the angle between the forces. Seems to be very simple, but unless you understand the question perfectly. So what they have given, try to understand this one. Two equal forces means we are having two forces and where their magnitude is equal. So let me write magnitude of a force A bar B x, and at the same time magnitude of the force B bar be also x. So what I am saying, just let I have considered the two vectors as A bar and B bar and their magnitudes are equal to x and x, and assume that the resultant C bar is equals to resultant of A bar and B bar. And what did they say? The magnitude of the resultant is equals to 1.5 times the either force. Either force mean either A or B. So what you can just take 1.5 times either force A or B, so that is you can multiply just by x, because we considered A as x and B as also x. So therefore C is equals to 3 upon 2 times x. So now let us find out the angle between the two vectors, as he is desired he is asking us to find out the angle. So using parallelogram law of vector addition, the magnitude of the resultant formula already we have done. C is equals to root over a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Just substitute. So this is 3 upon 2 times of x is equal to under root a square, that is x square, b square is also x square, and 2 into x multiplied by cos theta straight away. So just squaring on both sides we will be doing now, as already we know to eliminate the square on or root on the other side. So therefore on squaring on both sides, the left hand side turns out to be 9 by 4 times x square, and the right hand side turns to be 2x square, this is, and this is 2x square cos theta. So just bring out this, transpose this 2x square onto the other side. It turns out to be now for us 9 by 4 x square minus 2x square, which is equals to 2x square cos theta. Take the LCM now and it turns out to be 9 minus 8 is 1. So it turns to be x square by 4 is equals to 2x square cos theta, and I can cancel cos x square on both sides and send this 2 here, 1 remains here. So thus cos theta will be equals to 1 upon 8, and the angle between the two vectors is given by theta is equals to cos inverse of 1 upon 8. So this is the way you have to solve such problems. So the most important thing over here is you must be able to understand the question. So you have to read twice whenever you get a confused state. So see, two equal forces. So two forces are there and they are equal in magnitude, and the resultant is 1/2 times the either of force. Either of force mean either you can take A and B. So the important things in this problem are these two, assumption, and the next one is writing this step perfectly. Hope you all understood. Thank you very much. Have a great day.